Hey everyone, thank you for joining the live stream. You guys, this is just a little short view of what I actually done on my live. And I want you guys to follow along and have a good time. Grab some water and prepare for the workout. Hey y'all, I see you over there looking all good. You guys, we're going to do 10 of each workout. But first, we're going to warm up our body. We never want to work out on any cold muscle because it's not about injuring ourselves, but it's about getting in the best shape of our life and mental health. All right, you guys, make sure you stretch out though. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here squats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So then I went over to grabbing a chair. Make sure you guys, the chair is an amazing way to get proper form. If you're like, I don't know how to do a squat, grab that chair. You guys, be kind to your knees. Make sure you always hold your stomach in tight. Make sure you hold your glutes in tight as if you got a little bit of, gas and you don't want to, blow it out. Yeah, and just loosen up those knees a little bit, you guys. Those knees do not be playing on us at half of the time with us. So I'm doing calf muscles, you guys, working the back of our legs, and we're going for 10. I'm sorry I'm not counting. I was trying to, but I have so much information I want to get out to you guys. But you want to squeeze all the way up at the top, not too much on your toes, but pretty much on the ball of them. And then we went back to those squats because we want to get those glutes sitting all the way up. Okay? We're not relaxing. We're going to get right on up. So, yes, you guys. So, when doing the live, we fully do these workouts. So, I want you guys having a good time. But we're just hitting 10 right now just to show you all, just what we do. And then we hope to see you guys when we're actually doing the full live video. So as of right now, just do 10 of each of these moves that I'm showing you. You guys, these are RDLs without the weight. I'm just showing you how you'd want to go all the way back to that chair, making sure the back of your legs are touching them so you can make sure you pick up those glutes, okay? You're going to pretty much go down, but like you're touching your shins. That's the front of your legs, and you squeeze back up at the top. Remember to inhale and exhale. Do not hold your breath, and please everyone stay hydrated, you guys. So now we're going to be working on our stomach but standing up, okay? Now this is for your obliques. When you lift your lateral leg rises, you're working your side of your stomach, your waistline. You get that little beautiful hourglass figure, okay? But most of the pressure is on that supportive leg. That is what I'm showing you right there. So you want to make sure you use that chair for support, okay? Do not put full weight on the chair, but just lightly hold on to the chair so you do not fall over while holding your stomach in tight. And just take your time. Make sure that you do 10 on each side, okay? Now we are doing moving squats. Oh, I love these moving squats. Remember, again, engagement is everything. Hold that stomach in tight. Make sure you are breathing as you go side to side. Take your time. Pace yourself and work at your own pace. Who's rushing you? I hope no one. Take your time. Get in that deep squat. Go as low as you can. Now we're doing it without the chair, okay? Woo, those legs was definitely burning. So again, stay hydrated. Make sure you guys are taking the right proper nutrients for your body too as well when you're working out. Now during the plank, if you guys cannot hold a position, you can always drop a knee, for support. But try to get up there. We're going to count for the set of. We're going to count for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, you guys, please don't forget to subscribe and share and like. I'll see you later.